For today's video, I'm gonna explain the lab activity, which is the lab activity number 8. So, for the first code here is the import pandas as PD. You can see the columns that defines the column name for the dataset. The dataset UCI adult dataset, often used for income classification. The data equals PD. This is used to load the dataset from the content adult data. Let's see, this is the content adult data. Assign the column names treat, and the missing value none. The data head display the 5 rows of the data sets. So you can see the output. The table showing the first few rows with column like age, work class, education, income, etc. Each row represent a person's demographic and income information. For the next code is the check for missing values. So the print data prints the number of missing values each column, and the data was data drop now removes all rows that contains missing values. And for convert categorical columns to numerical using one-shot encoding. So converts categorical columns to numerical using one-hot encoding. The data that drop avoids multi-collinearity by dropping the first category in each column. The split features and target. The X data that drop all columns except the target income 50k and the income underscore is 50k. The target column where 1 means income otherwise. So this is the output. You can see the zero numbers. This is the output. The numeric features matrix. For the next code is from train test splits from sklearn model selection import train test split. This part is for the function to split data into training and testing sets. And the X train, X test, Y train, Y test. The split database with 70% for training, X train, and Y train. 30% for testing, X test and Y test. Random state 42. Ensure that the split is reproducible. The model's performance on unseen data. So for the next code, the logistic regression from sklearn linear underscore model import logistic regression imports the logistic regression classifiers and the model with max iter 1 equals 1000 allows up to 1000 iterations for convergence. The sklearn matrix import accuracy underscore scope confusion underscore matrix is import tools to evaluate classification performance, while the y underscore bread equals model the prediction x underscore test. This prediction predicts income classes for the test data. The accuracy report. This calculates accuracy of or correctness or predictions. Confusion matrix counts of true versus predicted classes. Classification with output. This is the example output. The accuracy value. And a confusion matrix showing true position, true positives, false positives. The detailed classification matrix for both income classes. So that's all for the activity number 8.